morning, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome to your English class. Dear kids, in the previous video, we learned the joining of sight words. In this video, we will do joining of add sound words. Joining of add sound words. A-T, add. When we speak add sound, तो हमारा mouth open हो जाता है. It's a long sound. Add. So let's start. C. C says curve. A says air. T says t. Cat. Now we will join and write them. C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Second. R says R. R says R. A says A. T says T. R-A-T. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. Next. F says F. A says A. T says T. F-A-T. Fat. F-A-T. Fat. F-A-T. Fat. Next. M says M. A says A. T says T. M-A-T. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. And the next is B says B. A says A. T says T. B-A-T. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. And the last is H says H. A says A. T says T. H-A-T. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Now let's all speak together, okay? C-A-T. Cat. R-A-T. Rat. F-A-T. Fat. M-A-T. Mat. B-A-T. Bat. H-A-T. Hat. Okay students, bye bye. Thank you.